Happy morning, children. I'm so happy to see you all again. Hope all are fine. Today, we are going to see about the birds. Wings are the special features of the birds. Wings helps the birds to fly. So today, I have a surprise for you. Can you all please close your eyes? Open, and here is your surprise. Yes, today we are going to see about the peacock. Peacock is an attractive, colorful and a beautiful bird. It is our national pride because it's a national bird. Come on, let's see the parts of the peacock. It has a beautiful crown on its head. It has 2 eyes, 1 sharp beak, a beautiful and a colorful neck, body which is connected to the long tail feather, and 2 legs. It eats grains, cereals, worms, insects, etc. The male bird is called the peacock. The female bird is called the peahen. The baby bird is called the peachick. It can make 11 different sounds. Do you love to dance? Yes, this beautiful bird loves to dance when it's about to rain. Oh, I could see it's about to rain and this beautiful bird wants to dance in the rain. So let's say bye to this peacock. Bye peacock. Take care. Bye-bye. Now let's see about the owls. Owl is otherwise called as night bird. In nights, it could see very clearly. So, it is called the night bird. Owl is the national bird of Greece. It is an intelligent bird. Now, let's see about the parts of an owl. It has 2 big eyes, 1 sharp small beak, body which is attached to the 2 wings, 1 small tail and 2 legs. It eats frog, fish, snake, etc. It lives in the holes of the tree. It lays eggs. The male owl is called owl cuckoo. The female owl is called the owl hen. The baby owl is called an owlet. The owls cannot move their eyeballs, but it can turn their heads to see side to side. It will rotate its neck all around. The owls doesn't have the sense of smell. I hope this lesson was interesting and informative. Let's see in the next session. Thank you.